Now start. This is a PLC circuit. How to make Aquaguard circuit. It's the wonderful circuit. First of all, you open the logic store. Logic store simulator is the one of the best simulator for PLC circuit. So let's start now. This is the IO. This is the IO simulator, input output simulator, and this is the switch, open switch, and input switch. This output switch, and another is input switch, output switch. So many input and output switches are present here. So let's start now. This is the one RAM. First of all, you click the address. Then first of all, is select the input switch. This is the one type of input switch. If you click the user, then this input switch is open, and you drag, and this is the green color, and you will leave the cursor. It will come here. Next, this is the timer circuit. Timer circuit. T on timer. Is T on timer. Click here and leave here. It will come here. You know that T on timer on delay, time base 0.1, preset time. Timer means I will put the address, then preset time how much time it will content, accumulator how much time it will turn on or turn off, or delay situation, DN timer off, or TT timer. Next, you will select the latching, because the latching used for holding. When the valve will blow, then it will blink off after some times, but I will say that it will blow to continue. So if it will blow to continue, then I will select the latch. Latch means holding. It will blow sometimes. You will go to beat. You will go to beat here. Then you will select the latching. Then you will drag here and leave this. Next, this is the output. Next, you click the close switch and drag here and leave here. Next, the timer T on. Next, latching T on, latching, sorry, click the bit and you can find the latching here. Next, 002 rung, similar circuit, counter T on. Next, latching, beat, latching. Next line only for the water pump. T. Next, switch. Next, for output. Okay. Complete now. Then we can give the address. First of all, this is the input address, is the output address. First of all, you select the input address, because this is the input. Click here and put here. Okay, I1, input 1, input 1 means this is the I for input, and this is the 1 for data file number. I is a data type, and demulation is the demulator, and this is CPU slot number. Next, dot 0 means watt number. Watt numbers, one watt 16 bit. So 102 0 to 15 watt 0, and 16 to 31 watt 1. It is required for watt number. Next, this is 2 means /2. 2 means this is the bit number. Which bit? If it is 0 to 15, it is, if the slot is if the bit is in between 0 to 15, watt number is W0 means 0. This was number. Or what bit number is 16 to 31, the watt number is 1, so it will come 1. Okay, let's start now. Timer address T4. You know that T4 because the timer address is T4. 4 means data file number. 4 means data file. You know that this is the output denoted address is 0, and data file number is 0. Input denoted address is I, data file number is 1. Bit address is V, so it is denoted by B, and data file number is 3. Timer denoted by T, and data file number is 4, so it's right T4. The integer N, data file number is 7. Floating point F, and data file number is 8. So T4 colon 1. Next, time base is 0.1. It is always fixed and preset. Suppose 120 seconds. So total time, it will containing total time 120 into 0.1. So it is equal to 12 seconds. 12 seconds it is remain open, then it will close. Next, done bit. This timer done bit comes from this timer. So address is T4. It is the same of timer 1. T4 colon 1 / done bit. Done bit denoted by DN bit. Okay. Next timer. Next timer. Timing address T4 colon 2. Preset time 120. Accumulator means it will counted here. It 12 means it will remain open 12 seconds. 120 means it will remain 12 seconds. Next, T4 colon 2 / done bit. T4 colon 3. Preset time 120. Next, this is done bit. T4 3. flash downbeat. This is a switch and a switch. So it will select it and drag here, so leave here. Okay, so it comes here. Output, first of all latching the output address. This is the output address, is the output address, one by one is present here. So it select here and drag here. This output for a red valve, this output for Y valve, and this output for green valve or blue valve. This is the water tank, and this is the water tank. This switch for water tank switch. Output, next output 0.1, drag here. Next 0.2, drag here. Next 0.3, sorry,